Want to know how to save dragon stones while grinding events? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, dragon stones are precious, so here's how to grind events efficiently without wasting them. First, focus on stamina efficient stages that drop the items or medals you need. Use your friend units and leaders wisely to clear events faster. Reducing retires. Avoid summoning on every banner. Save stones for Dokkan Fest or important events. Also, participate in daily missions and login bonuses to accumulate free stones. Then you grind on double drop or bonus events, which gives you more rewards for stamina spent. By prioritizing stages, using strong units, and timing your farming, you can maximize rewards and keep your dragon stones safe for when you really need them. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.